talk to you, I don't know how to ask you if you're okay.
So starting out, I'm going to be using my Burgundy palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm applying this eyeshadow with the Morphe M441, and I'm just applying it in my crease. So next, I'm going to be grabbing my Baked Browns palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm taking this eyeshadow called Cherry Wood, and I'm going to be applying it in my crease as well with the Morphe M433 brush. Honestly, this is one of the best blending brushes. It's so good and I really recommend it. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using my LA Pro Concealer in Natural, I believe. I have a link down below in the description box just in case you guys are wondering what shade am I. To set the concealer, I'm going to be using this white eyeshadow called Tea Light from the Dose of Colors palette. If you don't have this palette, you guys need it in your life. I'm being so serious right now. From the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be grabbing that yellow shade and applying it in the middle of my eyelid with this Dose of Colors brush. I don't know the name of it because it came with the palette. So now I grabbed some of that eyeshadow called Cherry Wood, and I'm going to be applying it in the outer corner and blending it towards the yellow eyeshadow we applied. So then I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and for the yellow eyeliner I'm going to be using this one by NYX, and I don't know how to explain it, but I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do this, and you know, just by watching it. But anyways, I'm just blending the outer corner, and I'm also going to be using the shades I applied in my crease onto my lower lash line. I'm also setting my brow bone with the white shade from the Dose of Colors palette called Tea Light. For lashes, I'm going to be using these by Beverly Cosmetics in the style Lavish. You guys could use my code Jocy for some money off your order. I have it in the description box. And I'm also applying some highlight. Also for lipstick, I did use Pure Hollywood by Anastasia. It just wasn't recording when I was applying it, so sorry about that. And well, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.